So why does heat build up in the first place, sir? So everything that is happening in this universe is a system. You agree with that or not? Everything. Boiling an egg is a system, right? So there is a process. Making chai is a process. Your process may be different from mine. I have mine, you have yours. I'll put water first, somebody will add milk first. In the X amount of milk, somebody will add milk right in the end. The British guy will add milk right in the end. But each one of us has a process. Because of the process, the taste will change. Correct? No. But everything is a system, right? So why is the heat generating in the first place? The root cause of oil heating. No machine or process is 100% efficient. I'm not saying this, these are laws of physics here. Newton's second law. Fact number 2. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. So if I have a system, I'm pumping in energy, I'm connecting it to power, or in mobile hydraulics, I'm burning fuel and creating energy, creating mechanical movement. Some part of that energy is getting converted into what you said, work. But some of it is not getting converted into work. What is happening to that energy? Because it cannot just disappear. It will change form. In the case of electrical energy coming in, it is from electrical, it will get converted to maybe noise, vibration, heat. Hydraulic systems don't make too much vibration or noise. So all that wasteful energy is getting converted into heat in a hydraulic system. So as kids, we have seen, we switch on a light. When I switch it on, a bulb, light comes. That's what I want. That's my need, my requirement. But at the same time, a bulb heats up, right? That's not really what it was meant to do. It was not meant to heat, but it's a byproduct. Correct? Agreed. In an industrial environment, you put in energy in the form of electricity or fuel into an equipment because I want some desired output. I want some machining done. I want some production done. But at the same time, there's some part of the energy is converted into heat. So that is our primary enemy. The heat is getting generated because the system is not efficient. We are getting towards more and more efficient systems, so heat production is dropping. When I started my career, the kind of valves that we had were not that efficient. Variable displacement pumps were hardly ever used here. The fixed displacement pump was more like the domain. So huge amount of energy input was there